Let's solve next question, that is x is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Okay, x is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Rewrite the question and then go for solving. X is equal to 4 into x is 4x divided by 5 plus 4 into 10 divided by 5. A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c for that reason. Okay, we have removed the bracket now. 4x by 5 plus 4 into 10 is 4 times are 40 divided by 5. Now like terms of one side we will shift. Means transpose this 4x by 5 to the left hand side. Then x minus 4x by 5 will become is equal to 40 by 5 will remain. Okay. In this children, denominator nothing is there, means 1 will be there. If you took LCM again 5 we will get. Then directly multiply. 5 into x is 5x minus 4x divided by 5 is equal to 40 divided by 5. Write down. Here I cancelled these two. Means denominators both are same. I have strike out. If you took this 5 to the right hand side, then 2 it will become into 5. Then 5 also there also you can cancel it. Okay. Now these two after strike out we left, means here we left 5x minus 4x. Left out with 5x minus 4x is equal to 1x. We can write it as x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40 what? Well, now verification we have to do. Rewrite the question. In that only we are going to substitute. X value is 40. 4 by 5. Again x value is 40 plus 10. Left hand side we are not going to solve children anything because already it is final answer. Okay. 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10 is 50. Okay. 5 ones are 5 tens are 50. 4 into 10 remain. 4 tens are 40. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Okay. Next question. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Okay. After rewriting the question, here denominators, nothing is there children, but we are going to transpose it. Because like terms on one side first we are going to take and then we will solve. Okay. Here 2x by 3 is 7x by 15. Means these two are like terms one side. Transpose 7x by 15 to the left hand side plus 1 to the right hand side. Okay. It will become minus 1 and this also minus 7x by 15. Okay. 3 and 15 LCM is 15. Then 3 5s are 15, 15 1s are 15. Now multiply with 5. 5 into 2x, 10x. 1 into 7x is 7x. Denominator 5 3s are 15 and 1 15s are 15. Okay. Is equal to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Now denominators are equal. Numerators we can subtract it. 10x minus 7x. Write down. 10 minus 7 gives 3. Okay. 3x is equal to this cross multiply. Means you are going to transpose it. When you transpose denominator it will become into 2 into 15. 15 2s are how much? 30. You can write it as 30. Otherwise, I am not multiplied children. I kept as it is. This 3 I am going to transpose. If you transpose, it will come to the denominator. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. We can strike out. Then 2 into 5 remain. Write 2 into 5. Then what is the value of x? X is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 we got. Verification. Rewrite the question children. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Otherwise we can say substitute x is equal to 10 in the given equation directly. Okay. In the place of x 10 means 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1 as it is 7 into 10 divided by 15 plus 3. Okay. 2 tens are 20 divided by 3 plus 1. 7 into 10. 7 tens are 70 divided by 15 plus 3. Here 3 1s are 3 means if you took LCM here denominator 1 will be there 1 into 3. Okay. Directly also we can. 1 3s are 3. 20 plus 3 divided by 3 here and here 70 plus 15 into 3 or 3 into 15. Okay. Here also denominator 1, that's why LCM will be 15 itself. 15 3s are 45. 70 plus 45 divided by 15. Here 20 plus 3 is 23 by 3. Okay. 20 plus 3 is 23 divided by 3 as it is. But here 70 plus 3 into 15 is 45 divided by 15. 70 plus 45 is equal to 115 divided by 15 we have. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10, 1 will remain, 5 3s are 15. Then LHS part 23 by 3 as it is there, then here also we got the same. Then LHS is equal to RHS, hence verify. Next question, 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Okay, after rewriting the question, let's transpose like terms one side, that is minus 5 you transpose plus 5 will become, plus 5 by 3 you transpose minus 5 by 3 it will become. 2y plus y is 3y because like terms addition, and here denominators are same, numerators subtracted. 26 minus 5. 26 minus 5 is, we will get 26 minus 5 is equal to 21. 3y is equal to 21 divided by 3. 3 ones are, 3 sevens are, we can strike out. Okay. Here only 7 remain. Then 3y is equal to 7. Transpose 3 to the right hand side. Then y value is 7 divided by 3. Okay, you got the value of y. Let's verify whether our answer is right or not. Substitute y is equal to 7 by 3 in the given equation. Which is your given equation? This is our question. In this y, if you put 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3 as it is, 26 by 3 as it is children, minus y. In the place of y, 7 by 3 we have to substitute. Okay? Understood? 2 as it is, in the place of y 7 by 3. Here also in the place of y 7 by 3. Remaining all as it is. Now 2 into 7, 2 sevens are 14 divided by 3 plus 5 by 3. Okay, 26 minus 7, denominators are same, subtract the numerator. 26 minus 7. Okay, 14 plus 5 divided by 3. Here denominators are same, then add. Because in between plus sign we have. 14 plus 5 is 19 divided by 3. Here 26 minus 7 is 19 by 3. Then LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Next question, 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 divided by 5. After rewriting the question, I am going to change these two. LHS is equal to RHS children, I have written reverse it. Okay, 5m minus 8 by 5 is equal to 3m. Completely I have done reverse. Just to make you people to understand variable one side. Okay. Now I am going to transpose this 3m to the left hand side and minus 8 by 5 to the right hand side. Okay. Then this 3m will become minus 3m is equal to minus 8 by 5 will become plus 8 by 5. Okay. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 and variable as it is. 5m minus 3m is equal to 2m. Okay, is equal to 8 by 5. 2 we have to transpose now to get the variable. Okay, m is equal to 8 divided by 5 as it is we have 8 by 5 we have already. This 2 if you transpose into 2 it will become in the denominator. Okay, 2 ones are 2 fours are we can strike out. 4 by 5 remain. Therefore the value of m is 4 divided by 5. Okay, the variable value is 4 by 5. Let's verify. Verification. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 divided by 5. It is the given question. In this we are going to substitute the value. 3 is equal to 4. 3 into m value is 4 by 5 is equal to 5 into 4 by 5 because m value minus 8 by 5. Okay. 3 into 4 divided by 5 is equal to 5 4s are 20. Once again concentrate. 3 into 4 by 5 is equal to 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. 3 into 4 first we will write is equal to 5 4s are 20 divided by 5 minus 8 by 5. 3 4s are 12. Okay, 12 divided by 5 is equal to, denominators are same, then numerators we can subtract 20 minus 8. 20 minus 8 gives 12. Then denominator 5. Here 12 by 5 and here also we got 12 by 5. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. This is our last question from this exercise.